Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video here, and yeah, just right after we premiered that video for Visible with the no speed caps being removed and also the announcement of the Moto G7 Power, my doorbell rang. So first off, before I tell you what happened, I wanted to clarify something since the live chat in the premiere closed. This comment came from Mikey's Tech Review. I just wanted to say that if you are a current customer on Visible, or if you are a customer who signed up right now during the limited time run of the no speed cap, if they were to recap the speeds for future customers who signed up, those who have the uncapped speeds will remain on it. So yes, you will be grandfathered into it. Anyways, so sneak peeks at some things happening here. I just unboxed this right here. This is a wireless charger sent to me, so when that video comes out, you guys might want to take a look at it. I already have it set up, it's sitting right over there, but I'm gonna save that for the unboxing video. But anyways, my doorbell rang after the premiere was up, and a package came. So this is kind of crazy. So anyways, I can tell you guys, it is from Visible. So I want, instead of me just opening it and seeing what it's about, I wanted to share this with you guys. So my squeaky chair, probably need some WD-40 for that chair. All right, what do we got here? A little card from Visible. It says, "Hey Tito, hope you enjoy these goodies." I appreciate it, Pearl. Thank you so much. It's always good. Handwritten gestures are always good. I don't like that type stuff. So you know when people actually appreciate what you do, when they actually take the time to write it. So that's pretty awesome. And we have some goodies here. Check that out. That's like, wow. Let's see what we got here. This is super cool. Check that out. It's a cassette tape that looks like it's a flash drive. Huh. Yeah, let's open this up. And wow, look at it, is a flash drive. And it's a cassette tape, and I'm into retro stuff, so yes, wow, thanks so much, Visible. I really appreciate this. Wow, this is so cool. Put that right there. Bam, pop sockets. I love pop sockets. That's going on the Pixel 3a. That I'm recording with the Pixel 3a, by the way. See what we got here. Ooh, we got a fan. I don't know. I'm gonna get this away because this has a lightning port. Well, I'm assuming this is for an iPhone. No, actually, no, it's not. I will try it out and see if it works. Here we have, what is this? I wonder if this is like, oh, sticky pads. This is going to come in handy when I want to jot down notes and things like that. I can stick them over here in case I don't forget things. Because sometimes I get forgetful. So that's going to be very helpful. Aha. A record player pin. This is pretty cool. This is going on my my laptop bag. I have like pins on that bag that I got from like Hot Topic, so that's going to be a neat addition to it. Let's see what we here have. 12-ounce stainless steel mug. I am a coffee drinker, so this is going to be pretty cool. Holy Lord. Wow. It's got the little emojis on the back too right there. And it's got like a lid for like no spills. This is pretty neat. I want to really say thank you to Visible Wireless, just for them letting me try out their network and stuff. And then they sent me a gift. What do we have here? This is USB to micro USB. So they gave me a I guess you use it for a charging cable or sync cable. But I like how it has a way to like neatly, you know, wrap it up when you're done. So it's not all clustered. The last thing in here is a visible wireless t-shirt. Put this box to the side right here so I don't spill stuff out of it. So that's actually pretty cool. Visible there. And a bunch of emojis, or emoticons, not emojis, emoticons on the back. So Visible sent me out a gift package. This is pretty awesome, and I do want to say again, thank you to Visible for allowing me to try out your network. And yeah, this was pretty cool. So hopefully in the future we can partner up again. That'd be actually pretty cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So again, for the rest of the month, I'll be dropping some videos about Visible's network, how it's been working out for me. Definitely keep you guys on the up on that. The ups, the downs, you guys will definitely get it all. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know by dropping a like to let me know. Shout out to Visible and thank you again for the gifts. I really appreciate it. It's definitely going to be rocking that t-shirt. So yeah, until then, aloha.